Hello everyone, welcome back to Quiz Class. In this exciting video, we are continuing our exploration of AI. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to Quiz Class and press the bell icon so you won't miss any of our exciting content. Let's start the video. Question number 1. What is cognitive artificial intelligence? Options are a branch of AI focused on understanding human emotions. AI systems that can mimic human consciousness and self-awareness. AI that focuses on stimulating human thought processes like reasoning and problem solving. AI technology used exclusively for speech recognition. Answer is AI that focuses on stimulating human thought processes like reasoning and problem solving. Question number 2. What is driving the increasing demand for artificial intelligence? Options are decreased computational power, limited data availability, slowing technological advancement, need for automation, efficiency, and insights. Answer is need for automation, efficiency, and insights. Question number 3. How does AI impact cognitive science? Options are it has no impact on cognitive science. It replaces the need for cognitive science research. It provides new tools and insights for studying cognition. It diminishes the importance of human intelligence. Answer is it provides new tools and insights for studying cognition. Hey viewers, here is an additional question for you. The question is, which algorithm does Facebook use for Facebook verification and how does it work? Options are face verification algorithms only rely on facial appearance and do not use any other information. Face verification algorithms compare a given face to a database of faces using complex neural networks. It works on the face verification algorithm structured by artificial intelligence techniques using neural network models. Face verification algorithms only work if the person's face is captured under the same lighting conditions as the reference image. I will give the answer at the end of the video. Please write your answer in the comment box now. Question number 4. Why is Python commonly used for AI development? Because it's the only programming language capable of AI. It has a large community, making it easier to find resources. Because Python is the first programming language. Because Python is the most visually appealing language. Answer is it has a large community, making it easier to find resources. Question number 5. What are the key differences between AI, machine learning, and deep learning? Options are: AI is a subset of machine learning, which is a subset of deep learning. AI and machine learning are the same terms, while deep learning is a different concept. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, which is a subset of AI. AI is a subset of deep learning, which is a subset of machine learning. Answer is: deep learning is a subset of machine learning, which is a subset of AI. Question number 6. How are computer vision and AI related? Options are: computer vision is a subset of AI focusing on processing visual information. AI is a subset of computer vision focusing on intelligent image recognition. Computer vision and AI are unrelated fields with no connection. Computer vision and AI are interchangeable terms for the same technology. The answer is: computer vision is a subset of AI focusing on processing visual information. Question number 7. Which agent deals with the happy and unhappy state? Options are: utility-based agent, model-based agent, goal-based agent, learning agent. The answer is utility-based agent. Question number 8. Which AI technique enables the computers to understand relationships between objects and events? Options are: heuristic processing, cognitive science, relative symbolism, pattern matching. Answer is pattern matching. Question number 9. Automatic reasoning tool is used in dash. Options are: personal computers, microcomputers, LISP machines, all of the above. Answer is LISP machines. Question number 10. Web crawler is an example of dash. Options are: intelligent agent, problem solving agent, simple reflex agent, model based agent. Answer is intelligent agent. Now it's time to reveal the correct answer for the additional question asked for you. So the answer is: it works on the face verification algorithm structured by artificial intelligence techniques using neural network models. Thank you all for being a part of this amazing journey. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Quiz Colors for more exciting contents.